Hi, Modern Economic Issues students. We're back again for some more distance learning. I wanted to give you a quick video to let you know what the plan looks like this week. If you are in Unified Classroom, you should be on our distance learning plan page. You'll see at the top the content for the week. We are continuing with our entrepreneur interview. So last week we prepared an interview prep document which helped you think about the questions you wanted to ask that person and the setting and all of the work that needs to be done before an interview. So this week, and some of you might have finished this last week, you need to conduct your interview. Now, it doesn't matter if the entrepreneur is face-to-face with you or not. You can conduct a live interview, and that's fine. You can record that on your phone, or you can conduct an interview using Zoom or using Google Hangouts. Both of those are really easy to use. And just be sure and hit the record button so that you have you can record the video of that whole interview. Okay, so the focus of this week's work is to tell the story of your entrepreneur. So we're going to think about a way to tell that story that is compelling and that shows how entrepreneurship has been a motor of economic development, how it's changed our community, it's changed people's lives. We're a very entrepreneurial community, and a lot of the things that people have done in this community have had a deep and lasting impact on how Mexico has grown. So I want you to think about that this week as you conduct your interviews. Big or small businesses, they've all had an impact on our local, our national, or international economy. Okay, so here's a couple of ideas about how you can approach that story, the telling of that story. You can think of paying tribute to a family member. You know, what have they contributed to society? What have they done for our economy? You can focus on a critical moment in that person's life, or a moment in the business. How were they able to get through that difficult times, and what did they learn? And then think about also what that person has taught you. So that can be a couple of different angles that you can approach your story with. The next step is to collect some images that support your message. So you're going to want clearly some clips of the person and the interview, but your video blog, which is where we're ultimately going, is not going to be just the interview shots of you guys talking. We're going to edit that. So think about some images that might support your message. Family pictures, early pictures of the business. Are there significant objects that might add to your story? What's available online? You should think of no more than 15 images in total. Then lastly, we're getting to this week's assignment. You're going to create a storyboard for your entrepreneur story. So you can use the template that I've linked here below, or there's a whole bunch of other resources in the second link. So you're going to submit your storyboard telling your entrepreneur story by Thursday at 6 p.m. The assignment is storyboard. It's in Unified Classroom, and in the assignment is a link to the rubric. I hope this helps you in terms of the content. The other thing that to keep in mind for this week, here are our learning objectives. Okay, what are we trying to get done this week? We're going to try and show how entrepreneurs and the business that they develop play a key role in the development and growth of our economy. Okay, so, and then the learning objective is to explain the impact of the business on a person or a family, community, and the economy at the local, national, or international level. Okay, so that's where we're going in the activities and what we're doing this week. And then finally, underneath that are the supporting resources that you have to complete these assignments. So take a look at those if you need some extra help. I will be in touch with you guys and setting up small group meetings during our protected class time this week to go over where we are, where each one of you is with this assignment, and to answer any questions. So be aware that the protected class time is for us to be able to meet with each other and just like talk about your progress. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys.